Hey, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III, and what I'm going to be answering today is, what is back pay? Back pay is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. The bottom line of what back pay is a form of payment to you from the moment you file until the moment you're found disabled. But is it that simple? Nope. Understand this. For SSI, you don't count for back pay purposes. Okay, so you don't count these as money months. No M&Ms. You don't count for SSI the first month in which you file or the month you're found disabled. For SSDI, you don't count the first 5 months or the month you're found disabled. Okay, that's 2 SSI, that's 6 SSDI. Okay. Now, why are back pay months important? How can they be limited? Blah, blah, blah. Well, back pay months are basically paying you to wait and see if you're disabled. Okay? How can they be limited? Well, let's give you an example. Let's say a judge comes back, the judge was saying, hey, I looked at your record, medical documentation, I've gone through the 5-step sequential process, and I've found that you did not become severely disabled until about 7 months ago. When you had originally written down that 4 years ago is when your onset date of disability actually began. Okay? That means that the judge can give you what's called not a denial, not a fully favorable, but a partially favorable decision. That means that they can come forward and say, yeah, okay, fine, you're disabled, you've got that, but you weren't disabled until you had that stroke 7 months ago. You're applying for SSDI, you don't count the first 5 months and a month in which you're found disabled, that's 6, that means you get 1 month of back pay. For SSDI, okay, you don't count 2 months. So think about that. SSI rather, you don't count 2 months. SSDI, you don't count 6 months. SSI, supplemental security income. SSDI, social security disability insurance. SSI, 2 months. SSDI, 6 months in that particular equation. What that means is, if you were a smart guy and also a poor guy, you made sure your representative filed you for both SSI and SSDI. Why? Because while you won't get back pay for some of those months you waited for SSDI, because there's more months there that you don't get paid for, less M&Ms, money months, you will still get paid those extra months for SSI. Pretty smart, right? So you want to make sure you're filed for both programs almost all the time, except for the rare instance where somebody's never worked. Okay? If they never worked, they're going to be a classic SSI. That is a bit more of an in-depth discussion as to what back pay is. You have an absolutely wonderful day. Remember, these videos may be old hat by the time you get to them. And also remember that if you have a unique question for your unique claim, give me a call. All right? Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. My name is Attorney Walter Hnot. I'm with Disability Resolution, PA. Thank you. Bye-bye.